Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch. 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 You bad bitch.
Hey guys, so these are the current nails, but it's okay because we gonna have the birthday nails coming. We just went to the nail store. I'm not even sure what they're really gonna end up looking like, but basically I had the concept of pink gems, of course, extraness. You guys know I always get extra nails whether it's my birthday or not, so of course I had to go all out. But hold up, wait, y'all aren't ready. Like, look. So me and Nat, nailed by Nat underscore, are gonna vlog the entire thing for you guys, and I'm just beyond excited. Guys, this is just a preview of what we're freaking about to do. Look, we got all the stuff. Ooh.
It's a little dirty, guys, don't mind it. I'm gonna slay her nails right now.
On God, we're gonna do a little time lapse for y'all.
A be a badness, a be a bad. One time for the birthday, bitch. Two times for the birthday, bitch. Three times for the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your 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 birthday, bitch. You bad bitch, and it's your birthday. Go ahead, fuck it up in the worst way. You bad bitch, and it's your birthday. Go ahead, fuck it up in the worst way. One time for the birthday, birthday. One time for the birthday, bitch. Two times for the birthday, birthday. Two times for the birthday, bitch. Three times for the birthday, birthday. Three times for the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, birthday. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch. Yeah, you the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up, 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 fuck it up. It's time to do some birthday shit. I wanna see that birthday cake. Little bag on the birthday shake. I'm tryna get you to the birthday bed. You can even get the birthday head. That's what you call birthday sex. You don't need no love in your birthday.
Everything went real wrong after this. Y'all rest in peace.
Wait till you see the. No.
This is not our fault. Definitely not Nat's fault. Basically, we printed it on the wrong paper and we didn't check before we did it, and they look like shit. And we're gonna soak them off tomorrow. Long story short, I have to skip class. It's 3:30 in the morning. Like, I can't drive to LA right now. Like, it's a lot. So, whatever.
I'm sick. Because these 21 nails didn't work out.
Yesterday did not go as planned, guys.
So now we have to take the nails off. I got some little fake nails for the shoot, but it's okay because
We're doing a brand new set.
Yeah, we're gonna do it again closer to my birthday, so the vision will come alive, just not today.
Oh my god. So guys, I went and I got these printed at FedEx. This one's supposed to be water resistant and this one's cardstock, and then I have some more laminated ones. I'm really hoping that these work this time. We're gonna test it in a little bit because we're not about to be dumb bitches again and do the whole set. So let's hope. I guess the Barbie and the Four Loko.
I'm gonna just leave it like that, okay? Because it needs to dry. We need to actually wait till it dries.
Yeah. So
and I'm gonna buff it a little bit, like with and then I'm gonna polish it too.
Okay, I want to see something. If I just like what? Oh,
Bro, how the
let's see this one.
Wait, bro.
They're not gonna work. They're not gonna work.
Wait, bro, why?
They're not gonna work.
Wait, Addie, okay, real shit.
They're not gonna work. The thick ones will work. These are gonna work.
Those are thicker.
This is not going away. This is laminated.
Cut it.
I'm gonna cut them because honestly, I don't think it's much thicker than the photo paper. And if they're thick again, I don't give a f, to be honest. Water resistant, my ass. What is this considered? Alcohol?
I knew that one was gonna.
Well, yeah, this one, okay.
Like
but the water resistant, are you for real? Look, it's gone. It's gone. Look, it's gone. I just wiped it. It's gone. I think we got it. I think we did it. Oh shit. Okay.
And the girls looking birthday. Take a shot of this birthday. Trying to get you back home on your birthday. It's time to get birthday drunk. I'm talking about birthday song. Bend it over, get your birthday song. Bend it over, get your birthday song. Let the drip come up for your birthday song. One time for the birthday, bitch. Two times for the birthday, bitch. Three times for the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your 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 birthday. birthday, bitch. One time for the birthday, bitch. Two times for the birthday, bitch. Three times for the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your 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 birthday, bitch. You a bad bitch and it's your birthday. Don't live, fuck it up in the worst way. You a bad bitch and it's your birthday. Don't live, fuck it up in the worst way. Come on, one time for the birthday, bitch. Two times for the birthday, bitch. Three times for the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch.
A beer badness, a beer bad.
One time for the birthday, bitch. Two times for the birthday, bitch. Three times for the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your 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 birthday, bitch. You a bad bitch and it's your birthday. Don't live, fuck it up in the worst way. You a bad bitch and it's your birthday. Don't live, fuck it up in the worst way. One time for the birthday, birthday. One time for the birthday, bitch. Two times for the birthday, birthday. Two times for the birthday, bitch. Three times for the birthday, birthday. Three times for the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, birthday. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch. Yeah, you the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up, 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 fuck it up.